Hi guys, welcome back po sa Toro Page Philippines. So, gawa tayo ng energy check gamit si Cloak Cards. So, this is for Sun, para sa may mga Sun, Moon, at Rising sign na Aries. So, let's check. Ano ba ang card mo? We have here is card of the voice. Literal, you need to use your voice. Alam mo yung tipong pag may nakita ka ng mali, may nakita ka kailang itama, speak up. Kasi, ano yun eh, tawag dito, may kasabihan nga na kung hindi ka parte ng solusyon, baka parte ka ng problema. And it's time that you be part of that solution. Be part na andoon nagagawa ka ng way para i-voice out kung ano yung tama, masabi mo kung ano yung nararapat, and andun din na, marami ka namang mga ideas na tinatago mo. May mga moments na parang na-hold back ka, especially if you have your moon in Aries, na hold back ka, na sabihin to. You know what? It's time that you be a vessel of that voice of the change. Kasi sabi nga, one honest voice is louder than 1,000 lies. So, speak up, my friend. Okay? I hope nakatulong yung reading. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more.